Welcome to this guided meditation for feeling connected. Sometimes, even when we're surrounded by people, we can feel strangely alone or disconnected, like we're going through the motions without really belonging. If you ever felt that way, even just for a moment, you're not alone. It's part of being human in a busy world. This short practice is an invitation to reconnect, not by doing more, but by pausing, by slowing down enough to feel what's already here, your body, your breath, and the simple fact that you exist right now in a world that's alive all around you. Here's what we'll do together. First, we'll ground ourselves, settling into the body and breath. Then, I'll share a simple teaching about connection. And finally, we'll practice opening to the world around us and let that feeling soak in. So wherever you are right now, sitting or lying down, make yourself comfortable. This time is yours. Take a slow, deep breath in and let it go with a soft sigh. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to the physical sensation of simply being here. Feel the weight of your body, how it's being held by whatever is beneath you. Notice the points of contact, your feet, your back, your hands resting. With each breath, feel yourself settling a little more deeply. Your shoulders softening, your jaw releasing. Now, gently guide your attention to your breath. Notice it exactly as it is. Whether it's deep or shallow, fast or slow, it's all welcome here. Feel the air as it enters, cool and fresh. And as it leaves, warmer and softer. If your mind wanders, that's normal. Every time you notice, you've already woken up. Then you simply guide your attention back to your breathing. In ancient teachings, there's a phrase, we are not spirit, we are interbeing. It means nothing exists entirely on its own. A tree needs the sun, the soil, the rain. A wave needs the ocean and air. And you need the air you breathe, the ground beneath you, the world around you. Connection isn't something you have to create. It's already there. The problem is we forget. We get busy, stressed, and could start to feel separated, alone. But right now, in this stillness, you can remember. So let's start practice remembering, keeping your breath as your anchor. Begin to expand your awareness. Listen to my voice and I'll guide you. From the breath, widen your attention to include your whole body. Now expand further. Notice the space around you. Feel the air on your skin or the clothing touching your skin. Can you hear the sounds nearby and far away? And then even further, as if your awareness is gently reaching out, touching the walls of this room, to the building, and the streets outside, the sky above. You are here, breathing, and all of this is here too. Inhale, the world breathes in with you. Exhale, the world breathes out with you. You are not alone. You've never been alone. And now, resting here, let this awareness hold you. In these short periods of quiet time, you have already slowed down. You have felt your body. You have opened to the world around you. This is what connection feels like. We are going to say a few affirmations. If you resonate, you can repeat after me, silently or out loud. Let these words settle softly into your awareness. I am here. The world is here. We breathe together. I don't need to rush. I don't need to prove. Just being is enough. I am part of something larger. I am held. I am protected. I am not alone. Breathe in. Let these words sink in. Breathe out like gentle rain soaking into the ground. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back. First, notice your breath again. Deepen them. Then invite small movements. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take another deeper breath in. And as you exhale, gently stretch your arms. Roll your shoulders back and forth a few times. Turn your head left and right slowly. Notice the surface beneath you, the air on your skin, the sounds around you. Now, rub your palms together and create some heat. Cover your eyes in your palms. Feel the warmth. Smile to the universe. Smile to yourself. Thank yourself for this meditation time today. And when you're ready, you can gently blink open your eyes and lowering your hands. Take a moment to look around. Notice how your body feels now. Lighter, more rested, more connected. This calm is yours to carry with you. Well done. You showed up for yourself. Namaste.